Assalamu alaikum. First of all, thanks for shortlisted us for this project, which is clean water for the people of Thar Parker. Innovative solution to address COVID-19 crisis in Thar Parker. Myself is Muhammad Abbas Ahmed, and my group member consists of Muhammad Shahid and Ahmed Mustafa. We are a group of students studying chemical engineering at Comsat University Lahore campus, are here to give best solution to the problem in Thar Parker. So a serious dilemma for the people of Thar Parker is clean water. The citizen of the town get clean water once in a month. On investigating with the friends, they informed us that they suffer from various stomach ailments. The people are provided drinking water through pipeline monthly. Every problem comes with a solution. The solution for Thar Parker resides within nature. Nature has built two dams in Thar Parker which stores rainwater. The location, the address of these dams are represented in these slides. So the idea of the solution is totally based on economic as well as Thar Parker's situation. The cheap technique that we will introduce is solar distillation. In this technique, rainwater is heated by sunlight, in which the evaporation of water takes place, and then we pass these vapor through condenser, in which we can obtain condensate, then pH of water check, then TDS check. After all, the water is distributed through pipeline and main storage spots. So very important thing is that energy for pumping of water in pipeline as well as in other equipment is through solar energy. So what is a solar water distillation? First of all, we connect the reservoir with a pump to transport the water from the reservoir to the solar distillation plant. Secondly, the water will pass through a screen to remove small rocks that may create blockage in the plant. Then the water is carried to the solar distillation plant. The saturated vapor condenses in the lower surface of the glass cover over. After releasing the latent heat of vaporization, the condensed water droplets trickle down due to the gravity and are collected in the drainage level. So now we will check the TDS and pH of the water. After checking the value, water is transported to the local through pipeline. So question is that why should Angro invest? There are many reasons that our idea is helpful for large community and cost effective. By using solar distillations, there are no energy costs. People will save from several disease. There are climate change adaptation, mean to say climate friendly environment. So we will consider that our project is successful if ever local house is getting at least 5 liters of water every day. This project will provide job opportunities for many people of the Thar Parker. With that more, may Lord help us fulfilling our mission and bless for the people of Thar Parker. So thank us for Angro for your wonderful initiative.